Do you know that something as simple as a guava leaf could be your hair solution? In this video, I'm going to show you another way to make your guava leaf even more potent without adding water. If you've been sleeping on this guava leaf, this is a wake-up call for you to start using it. In today's video, I'll be adding aloe vera. I'm going to use this aloe vera to blend it. Instead of adding water to it, I will use aloe vera juice to blend it. This is to intensify the potency of the guava leaf, but if you don't have aloe vera, feel free to use water to blend yours, but do not add too much water. I got this aloe vera from my garden. You can see that they are really small, but I got enough to serve me for what I want to use it for. This is a very simple but effective hair growth remedy, so do not sleep on it. After watching this video, do well to try yours and use it on your hair, and I'll also appreciate your feedback. So the first thing I did was to separate the leaf from the stem. Based on my previous video, I saw that people were giving a lot of feedback. This is an indication that this actually works. So if you're doubting it, you can go check my previous video, see what people are saying about this recipe. So this one I'm showing right here is the one I'll be throwing away because the leaves are quite hard. They are the older ones. I only took out the fresher ones. Those ones are not that hard. So now that I'm done separating it, the next thing we are going to do is to give this a wash. It's important that you give it a thorough wash to remove the dirt. So now our leaf is properly washed. Do you know that you can actually chew this? You can chew it or extract the juice and drink it. I don't even want to go into the health benefit, but apart from the guava itself, that is the guava fruit, the leaves are also packed with a lot of nutrients that could benefit your body from the inside. The next step is to clean the aloe vera. We are going to take out the head and the pokey part. We are not going to be extracting the gel. We are going to use everything. So all you need to take out is the head and then the two sides. Lots of people don't know that the back of the aloe vera also contains nutrients that could benefit your hair growth. The back of the aloe vera, that is the skin, has a cleansing and antimicrobial property, helping to keep the scalp clean and free from buildup. The skin of the aloe vera can actually help fight free radicals on the scalp, reducing oxidative stress that can contribute to hair thinning. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe itchy scalp. I think we've been wasting something that is very beneficial. This skin right here contains calcium, magnesium, and a small amount of zinc that are present in it. All these nutrients support scalp function. I've taken out three. I'm going to do the rest behind the camera, so this video will not be too long. So right now, I am done taking out the both side and the head, which are the unwanted ones. So I'm just going to trash this part and then I will wash the aloe vera. Because of the lactase in the aloe vera, that is the green substance that usually come out of it, you can soak your aloe vera a little bit before you go ahead and use it to avoid inflammation, because some people get to react. Now that I have washed the aloe vera, it is clean now. The next thing I will need to do is to slice it. But if you don't want to use the back of the aloe vera, feel free to peel it out. Aloe vera is one of the most popular natural remedies for hair growth and scalp health because it contains a blend of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and moisturizing compounds that nourishes the hair follicle and creates an optimal environment for hair growth. That is why I optioned out for aloe vera instead of water. At the same time, I'm not saying you can use water for this recipe, so not having an aloe vera will not be a hindrance to some people. Now I have cut my aloe vera into chunks. The next thing I need to do is to pour it into my blender. You can use your hand grater or a mortar for this job. So the essence of adding aloe vera into this recipe is to substitute water. I don't want to use water for this recipe. That is why I added the aloe vera, like I said from the beginning. So I will not be adding any more water to this recipe. So it is just going to be the guava leaf and the aloe vera. The aloe vera is to enable it blend, plus its additional benefits to hair growth. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E, antioxidants that protect the hair follicle from damages. It also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, which supports healthy cell growth in the hair follicle. It also contains zinc and copper, which strengthens the hair strands and prevent thinning. It also contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Now we are done blending the guava leaf. It was so fast and so easy because of the slippery content of the aloe vera, which is very moisturizing on the hair. It prevents dryness and breakage. The next thing I'm going to do is to use my cheesecloth to strain out the juice. You have to strain out the juice to get out the chaff. You can't just apply this directly on your scalp just like this, to avoid having residues and build up on your scalp. If you notice, the slippery effect of the aloe vera wasn't visible. This is because the guava leaf has already overpowered it. But do not worry, everything is still in there. The nutrients, the benefits, everything is still in this water you're looking at right now. We just substituted water for aloe vera, which is more beneficial to hair. So I hope you understand. So this is the chaff which we are going to be throwing away, of course, except if you have any other use for it. So here you have it, our guava juice without water. Be rest assured that this is going to work magic on your hair if you're consistent with it. Guava leaves have become popular in the natural hair care community due to its potential benefit for hair growth and improving scalp health. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients. Guava leaves are known for strengthening the hair follicle, reducing hair fall, and preventing dandruff. Now, let me demonstrate how I use this on my hair. I'm going to use a cotton wool for the application because I am on braid. If you're on any kind of protective style that doesn't include extension, you can as well use a spray bottle or pour it directly on your hair. So basically what I do is to soak my cotton wool in the guava juice and then dab it on my hair, on my scalp rather. Once I apply, I'll massage it in with my fingers. When used on the hair, guava leaf can help stimulate circulation on the scalp, promoting hair growth and improving the overall texture. It also adds shines to the hair. The juice can be massaged into the hair or as a final rinse after shampooing your hair. It nourishes and rejuvenates the hair. The natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can help calm the scalp, reducing irritation and preventing inflammation. The vitamin C content in the guava leaf stimulates collagen production, which is vital for strong hair structure. The vitamin B, especially B2, B3, and B6, support healthy hair follicle and improve scalp circulation. The iron and the magnesium strengthens the hair roots and prevent thinning. The antioxidants and the flavonoids fight free radicals that damage the hair follicle and cause hair fall. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help treat dandruff, scalp irritation, and infection that can block hair growth. Guava juice strengthens the hair follicle, reducing hair breakage and shedding by fortifying the roots. It improves scalp health, balance the scalp pH, and remove buildup, allowing the hair follicle to thrive. These and many more are the benefits of using guava water on your hair. This will help you boost your hair growth and take care of the overall health of your scalp. There are so many ways to use your guava leaf for hair growth. You can use it as a final rinse after every shampoo. You can use it as a leave-in spray. You can also incorporate your aloe vera and your guava leaf just like I did in this video. You can also infuse it in your oil. You can infuse it in your leave-in conditioner. There are so many options for you to choose out from. For best results, always apply the guava water on a clean scalp. Seal in with an oil or a butter, especially for fussy hair. Combine with healthy diet and a scalp massage for faster hair growth. Do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.